My friend na, not baby na. Thank you. Ang init guys. Thank you, Top. Super init. Super hot. Daw gusto mo makita unahin namin. Gusto mo makita unahin namin. Ah? Ano? Wala akong nanay dito. Hmm. Ang init talaga. Ayoko na sumayaw sa'yo guys. Wala na lang dito. Nakapagod lang sumayaw eh. Talk, thank you. BM Talk. Init. Super. Super duper. Ang init lang ha. Ang init. Super. Mixology. Welcome. Thank you. I just want to feel this moment. Thank you. Ang init lang guys. It's really hot. It's really hot in the Philippines. That's why. Don't judge but by its cover. Yeah. Kung yun. Tama ba? Tama ba ang mali? Mali. Tama. Guys, help na nalakakota ko guys. Sabi na guys. Pagdating ko yung mga betlog mo guys. Away natin ito. Ayan po. Mixology. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's hot in the Philippines. That's why. I just sit down. If I'm dance, oh my god. You lose control. Sarap. Thank you. Ang init talaga. It's so hot in the Philippines. Hi. Nakamuntok na ako din. Thank you, Mixology. You cry me ah. Thank you. Ayoko. Hindi ang init kasi. Thank you, Sam. You want me to, ano? You want me to dance? What is 67? How do you get all those beans in your leg, but I don't have no beans on my own leg? I don't know too. Yeah. No one's there. Mixology, you want to, ano? You want to challenge me? Yum. Good. So hot. It's really so hot. Kita yung tulad. Ito yung bilbil ko. Sabihin niyo wala akong damit. May damit ako. It's really hot in the Philippines. That's why I don't I don't I don't wear my B O B R B B R B R A. Yeah. So hot. Thank you. Hi. Ano daw? Akber. Akber. Baby. Baby. It just sarili hot talaga guys. Lang, ito yung ulit. Papa-oras lang ako ah. Thank you. May ate pa shout out. Shout out. Nakakapagod guys. Super hot in the